Most guys always call women the same thing: hottie, princess, or at most, love. And do you know what the problem with that is? It doesn't really move them. It doesn't spark anything special. It's just more of the same. But there's a secret that few know. There are 3 forbidden nicknames that make any woman feel something different. They arouse curiosity, provoke a smile, and create a unique connection, all without her even realizing it. And the 3rd nickname I'm going to tell you is the strongest of all. After hearing it, she won't be able to get you out of her head. Stay with me until the end and find out which names have this almost magical effect. First nickname, Little. Have you ever noticed how a simple nickname can completely change the way a woman sees you? Some words have the power to trigger deep triggers in the female mind, creating an instant connection. And one of the most effective nicknames for this is Little. It may seem like a silly detail, but believe me, this nickname has a powerful psychological effect. It awakens a sense of protection in women, makes them feel special, and creates an emotional bond without them even realizing it. When used well, it can make all the difference in how they feel around you. How to use piña the right way in moments of intimacy, if you're already quite intimate, using this nickname at the right time can create a special atmosphere. Imagine the scene. She's lying on the couch, relaxing next to you, and you, with a confident smile, say, "Come here, little one. Let me protect you from the world." There you go. You've just activated an emotional trigger effortlessly. These words bring a feeling of comfort and security that can move her in ways you never imagined. In a playful way, if she's short, this nickname can be used in a fun way, making the conversation lighter and more energetic. Try saying something like, "You're so small, I'm going to have to carry you in my arms." This will bring a smile to her face and create a spontaneous moment that will create connection and chemistry between you. Attention, not every woman likes this type of nickname if she is very tall or doesn't like jokes like this. The effect may be the opposite of what you expected. Some women may interpret this as infantilization or simply not feel comfortable. And that's where the secret to seduction comes in. Observing and feeling the right moment. Notice her reaction. See if she likes the joke and adjust your approach according to the situation. Seduction is not about repeating cliches, but about understanding what works for each person. Use piña intelligently and see how a simple detail can make all the difference in the way she feels around you. Second nickname, My Temptation. Have you ever stopped to think about the impact that a simple nickname can have on the way a woman perceives you? Some words awaken intense emotions, triggering unconscious reactions that can increase the attraction between you, and one of the most powerful nicknames for this is Temptation. This name carries a very strong emotional and sensual charge. When you call a woman this, you are saying, without having to explain it much, that she is irresistible, that she has a natural magnetism, and that she is leaving you with no way out. This affects her psyche in a way that few words can. How to use temptation the right way at the right moment. The secret is knowing when to use this nickname so that it has the greatest possible impact. If she surprises you with a smile or a provocation, "You're making things difficult for me," Temptation said with a smile and an intense look. This makes it clear that she is messing with you, and this feeling of power over a man is extremely addictive for any woman. When she is stunning, dressed to kill that way, "I'm going to start thinking you do this on purpose," Temptation here. You're complimenting her without being obvious. You're not just telling her she looks beautiful, but also suggesting that she's fully aware of the effect she has on you. This adds a touch of mystery and makes her feel even more special. Be careful, don't use it too soon. Dropping this nickname right away can seem forced or over the top. It's best to feel the connection between you before you use it. If the chemistry isn't strong yet, the impact may be less, or even sound like a rehearsed trick. The key to using temptation successfully is in the delivery, the tone of voice, and reading the moment. If used well, this simple nickname can transform the way she sees you and make her want to test more and more. The effect she has on you. Third, nickname trouble. Now let's talk about a nickname that is pure provocation and challenge. You know that kind of woman who has a sparkle in her eyes, who loves to play around, test the limits, and make things more interesting. She will probably love being called Trouble. This nickname creates an irresistible mental game where she feels like she is challenging you. And believe me, this only increases desire. Why trouble when you call a woman this? You are saying without needing to explain that she has a dangerous power over you, that she is irresistible in a way that complicates you, and this type of psychological game provokes a natural response of attraction. Women love a challenge, and when you insinuate that she may be a problem for your self-control, she plays along. It is a compliment disguised as provocation, and it works very well. How to use trouble the right way. When she challenges you in some way, whether with a joke, a sharp comment, or a bold attitude, you can say it with a smile on your face. "You're trouble, you know." That this catches her off guard, challenges her ego, and also creates a fun and magnetic atmosphere. If she starts to provoke or test you, play along without fear. "Oh, trust me, at this rate, I'm going to have to punish you here." You're creating a pleasant tension, an atmosphere of expectation. You don't even need to explain what this punishment would be because the mystery is part of the charm. The important thing is to keep the tone light, playful, and confident. Be careful. Not every woman will understand the tone of the joke. If she's more sensitive or isn't used to this type of provocation, the nickname could lead to a misunderstanding. The secret is observation. See how she reacts, feel if she's game, and adjust your approach according to her vibe. Seduction is a dance, and the best way to dance well is to know how to follow the right rhythm. Use trouble the right way, and she'll want to be exactly that for you, but in the best possible sense. Fourth nickname danger. This one is for those women who have a different glow, who make you lose control just by looking at them. Danger is a nickname that carries mystery, tension, and a hint of adrenaline, and women love this kind of game. Calling a woman this is the same as saying, without needing to explain, that she throws you off balance, that she has a dangerous power over you, and that being around her can be a risk, but a risk that you're completely willing to take. And believe me, this kind of provocation intrigues any woman. How to use danger the right way. When she does something that moves you, whether it's a look, a smile, or a provocative comment, "You're a danger to me, you know that." Say this in a playful tone, but with an intense look. This creates a mix of tension and fun, which plays with her emotions in a unique way. If she's testing you or flirting being around you is risky, total danger, this type of phrase makes her feel like she has an effect on you, and women love that feeling. Plus, it leaves a question hanging in the air. Will he resist me? This doubt only increases the tension between you. Be careful. The right tone makes all the difference. If you say danger in a very serious or exaggerated way, it can seem forced. The idea is for it to sound like a seductive joke, something that makes her feel powerful without seeming like you're trying too hard to impress her. Don't overdo the mystery. If used repeatedly without context, it can seem like a cheap trick. The ideal is to say it at the right moment, when she actually does something that justifies the nickname. Use danger in the right tone, and she'll feel that being with you is as engaging as a high-stakes game. And guess what? Women love a well-calculated risk. Now that you've discovered these forbidden nicknames, all that's left is to put them into practice at the right moments and feel the magic happen. Small details make a big difference in how a woman perceives you. And when you use the right words, the connection flows naturally. If you like this video and want more powerful tips to boost your seduction, subscribe to the channel right now. That way you won't miss any new content. And before you leave, there's another secret waiting for you. The video that's appearing on the screen now will reveal other tricks to make any woman fascinated by you. Don't mess around. Click here and I'll see you in the next video.